The SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket launched into space from California's Vandenberg Air Force Base north of Los Angeles at 5:27 p.m. The mission was a success, with all 10 satellites reaching their intended orbits. But it was the jaw-dropping views of the Falcon 9 streaking into space that stole the show, leaving an ethereal glowing plume in its wake as it soared into orbit. Caught off guard and had no idea what was happening at first. Must say it was one of my life's coolest moments, said Michelle Snyder, who watched the launch from the Hotel del Coronado in Coronado, California. SpaceX CEO Elon Musk chimed in with a joke, "Nuclear alien UFO from North Korea," he wrote in a video post of the launch on Twitter. Enjoy those awesome views? We'll try to share more as readers send in images, but SpaceX says its rocket launch shows will only get better. In one last Twitter post, Elon Musk promised even more spectacular views when SpaceX's new heavy-lift rocket, the Falcon Heavy, begins launching in 2018. If you like tonight's launch, you will really like Falcon Heavy next month. 3 rocket cores and 3x thrust. Two cores return to base doing synchronized aerobatics. Third lands on drone ship, Musk wrote. The first Falcon Heavy test flight will launch in January from Pad 39A at NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Cape Canaveral, Florida, carrying Musk's midnight cherry red Tesla Roadster into space. No, really, here are the photos.